Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your original Aadhar, a valid photo ID, and the phone you'll register. Next, book an appointment on the UIDAI portal or locate a nearby Aadhar center. Walk-ins may be available but expect waits. Once you arrive, present your Aadhar and ID so staff can verify your identity. Make sure your Aadhar number or QR code is handy. This speeds biometric authentication and reduces mistakes before the staff initiates the update process. At the center, staff will verify you either through biometric scans or by checking demographics. This establishes the secure link between you and your Aadhar. Then provide the new mobile number clearly. Staff will trigger an OTP to that number for immediate validation. Once you receive the OTP, read it aloud or enter it under staff guidance, then carefully review the update request slip. This slip shows the change and your consent. Make sure the new number is typed correctly before they submit the update to UIDAI. After submission, you receive an acknowledgement slip or SMS containing a SID. This is your tracking ID, so keep it safe. You can track the update status on the UIDAI portal using that SID, and once processed, the new mobile number reflects in your Aadhar profile. Processing typically takes between 24 and 72 hours. If the change fails, check the slip for errors first. Troubleshooting tip: if you do not receive OTPs or status updates, return to the center with the slip and ID to have staff recheck the submission details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.